Vas-y.
Docteur Swarnapuri, pouvez-vous nous parler de l'importance de la nourriture, de l'alimentation dans l'Ayurveda? Can you tell us about the importance of food and aliments in Ayurveda?
Go.
Yeah. If you see Ayurveda, the meaning of Ayurveda is study of lifestyle, life science.
Can you go another time, please?
The meaning of Ayurveda we need to understand here, to understand about the value of food, practicing in Ayurvedic studies. The meaning of Ayurveda is, Ayu means span. Span, and Vedas is knowledge. The knowledge of lifespan, which includes lifestyle of a person. So what I focus basically is, here when we're practicing in Europe, it differs, the food is differing from the Europe as well as in India. In Asia, the same food we cannot apply in Ayurveda here in Europe. So we have to understand what kind of food suits for the people. Does not matter what Ayurveda, importance of food in Ayurveda, but how does it practically applicable in those particular countries. That's what I focuses, and I try to adjust to the particular countries. Each country is different in Europe. Now, let us come to food. What's the importance of food in Ayurveda? In Ayurveda, food is a medicine. It is, we cannot we cannot do anything in Ayurveda without food. Here we correct, what we do in Ayurveda is we correct the lifestyle of a person. When we are correcting the lifestyle, the part of the lifestyle is the food. So what is the essential, what is the importance of food? Again, here is, when we see the physiology of a person, if you should go a little bit back to the physiology of Ayurveda to understand the food of what is the importance. 3 elements are there, which is Vata, Pitta and Kapha in Ayurveda, which has the normal functions at the mental and physical level. So this Vata, Pitta, Kapha, when they are imbalanced, we try to balance through food. Means the three doshas must be present in the food also. So Vata, Pitta, Kapha is also present in the food. That is what everybody should understand. Why we give importance to the food is, the main reason is the elements of 3 doshas, the 3 elements, the energetical components of the physiology is present in every part of the food. We take from the grains, we take from the oils, either by dry fruits, or you take in the sawmill products, whatever it is, every food contains these 3 doshas. How to apply that? That is another point. So when we see them through the pulse, we see the imbalances of the physiology, we immediately see what kind of food is suits for him. For example, when the person is having dominance of Vata, what kind of food suits him? That is the first thing. It is not proteins or carbohydrates or fat, that is different altogether concept. But the concept here is the food is very, very close component to the human physiology. For example, you take potatoes. Potatoes, if you take potatoes in winter, again the calculation is with the nature. In winter, Vata is increased in the nature. Potatoes is Vata, again, a component of Vata is high in potatoes. You cannot screen, you cannot do microscopic examination where is Vata inside the potatoes. And where is Pitta is in the onion. You cannot do in microscopic studies, you cannot do MRI studies, you cannot do any investigations, because that's the reason. Here, because of the nature of the food which human beings taking since ancient days, so people used to understand this is the thing which will happen if you take this food. Let us come to potatoes again. The person is having Vata imbalance. You are taking potatoes heavily in winter. Vata in the physiology, Vata in the nature, Vata in the potatoes. Definitely people will go for arthritis. This is what Ayurveda says. The main purpose of importance of food is how to get balanced with the nature of the food. If you give same Vata to Vata person, a Vata element having the potatoes, giving to the Vata already dominating person, definitely you will get Vata domination more in the physiology, which leads to severe nervous system disorder, which leads to joint problems. So with this calculation, what very simple formula, a person comes in the winter having joint pains, immediately the concept is remove the potatoes. It's as simple as that. That is the combination of nature, human physiology and the food in a simple format.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.